Hi guys, so today I thought I'd do a tutorial on a liner look using the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish liquid lipsticks in the shade Rebel. What I want to do first is just get a bit of this lip gloss here on the back of my hand, like so, and before it dries I'm just going to grab the e.l.f. small angled brush, like that one there, grab some of the product just on the end of the brush and apply it as close to the lash line as possible. Then you just repeat the exact same process on the other eye, just applying the lip gloss just as close to the lash line as possible. So I ended up not doing the winged eyeliner look, I just kept with the standard liner shape across the eyelid, and it still turned out really good. So you can pack on more of the lipstick if you wish, just to bring up the opacity and just make it as thick or as thin as you like. You can add a wing, make it dramatic, or more of a simple everyday look as well. You can also possibly bring it down onto the lower lash line as well if you wanted to be more dramatic. So you don't just have to use the Rebel shade, you can use any shade from their collection. I also have got the one in Backstage, which is this nice dark burgundy red, and I also have Dreamy, which is quite a popular shade. It's just a nice nude pink option as well, so you can either wear them on your lips or just do something similar to I've done and do a liquid liner look instead. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.